Hello everyone! In today's video, we will learn about one of the most important SEO technical elements, robots.txt files. A robots.txt file is a text file that tells search engine crawlers which parts of your website they are allowed to crawl. It is a way for website owners to control how search engines index their websites. The robots.txt file is located in the root directory of your website. It is a plain text file so that you can open it in any text editor. The file is divided into two sections, directives and user agent directives. Directives are instructions that tell search engine crawlers what to do. The most common directives are: allow. This directive tells search engine crawlers that they are allowed to crawl the specified path. Disallow. This directive tells search engine crawlers they cannot crawl the specified path. Sitemap. This directive tells search engine crawlers where to find your sitemap. User agent. This directive specifies the name of the search engine crawler. Crawl delay. This directive tells search engine crawlers how often they should crawl your website. The robots.txt file is a powerful tool that can help you control how search engines index your website. However, it is essential to note that the robots.txt file does not guarantee that search engine crawlers will obey your instructions. Search engine crawlers may still crawl pages disallowed in the robots.txt file if they believe the pages are important. Here are some tips for writing a robots.txt file. Start with a robots.txt file that allows all paths. This will ensure that search engines index all of your pages. Use disallow directives to block specific paths. This is useful for blocking pages that are not important or that you do not want to be indexed. Use user agent directives to control how specific search engine crawlers treat your website. This is useful for blocking specific search engine crawlers from crawling your website. Keep your robots.txt file up to date. If you add or remove pages from your website, you must update your robots.txt file accordingly. What are robots file best practices? The file must be named robots.txt. The robots.txt file must be located at the root of the website host to which it applies in the shown example. Robots.txt is case sensitive. The file must be named robots.txt in lowercase and no uppercase should be used. Your site can have only one robots.txt file. It's generally a best practice to indicate the location of any sitemaps associated with this domain at the bottom of the robots.txt file. Here are some examples of a robots.txt file. Feel free to leave any questions in a comment section about building robots.txt files. I will be happy to help. If you want to learn more about technical SEO, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified once we publish new videos about technical optimization. I hope you liked this video. See you around.